Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the Hollywood movies coloring to your videos using this CapCut filter. So here I've already prepared a clip that I imported to CapCut, and the next thing that you need to do is just find filter at the menu here, and then click on the movies category. And here swipe through the options until you find Hollywood. So there are Hollywood 1 and there are and Hollywood 2, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. Okay, so I'm going to just use the Hollywood 1, and you can also adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 45, and that's it. Click on a check icon, and now my video will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.